Forget Bitcoin for a second. These joke coins are making headlines, but are they really just jokes? Alright, let's cut through the chaos. You see Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, maybe even PEPE plastered everywhere. Twitter's buzzing, TikTok's hyping, it looks exciting, maybe even like easy money. That feeling? Totally normal for crypto beginners. But here's the hidden danger. For every headline about someone getting rich quick, there's an untold story of someone losing their shirt chasing the hype. Jumping in without understanding is like gambling blindfolded in a minefield. Are these just lottery tickets, or is there something deeper going on? The good news? You don't have to gamble. There's a way to understand exactly what these meme coins are, why they explode and crash, and crucially, the surprising role they actually play in the overall crypto ecosystem. We're going to demystify it, step by step, because knowing how meme coins even started reveals the first clue to safely navigating them. Forget the crazy price charts for a second. Let's uncover their surprising origin story. It's not what most people think. So, let's rewind. Where did this whole meme coin phenomenon actually begin? You have to go back to 2013. Bitcoin was the serious, complex face of crypto, and then came the Doge. That's right, Dogecoin, the OG meme coin, was literally created as a joke by two engineers poking fun at the intense crypto speculation. They forked Bitcoin's code, slapped the internet-famous Shiba Inu Doge face on it, and didn't expect much. But Dogecoin opened the floodgates. So what really defines a meme coin today, besides a funny picture? It usually boils down to a few common ingredients. First, low initial utility. Unlike projects aiming to be, say, a new payment system, most meme coins launch without a specific real-world problem to solve. Their purpose is the meme, the community. Second, community and hype-driven. Their value is almost entirely tied to social media buzz, influencer shouts, and how much excitement the online community can generate. Third, massive supply. Billions, trillions, even quadrillions of coins. This makes each coin seem cheap, attracting small investors. Fourth, simple tech. Many aren't unique blockchains. They're often simple tokens created easily on existing platforms like Ethereum or Solana. So if they often start as jokes with no real purpose, how did coins like Doge or Shiba Inu become household names and create such passionate armies of followers? The answer lies in the engine that drives them. So what is that engine? It's a powerful mix of community, social media, and raw hype. Unlike traditional investments based on company performance, meme coins often thrive purely on attention and collective belief. Think about Dogecoin or Shiba Inu's communities, the Doge Army, the Shib Army. These aren't just investors, they're online tribes. They gather on platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Twitter, coordinating efforts, creating viral memes, and relentlessly promoting their chosen coin. It becomes part of their identity. Then sprinkle in some influencer mentions or a celebrity tweet, maybe even Elon Musk, and things go parabolic. Suddenly, everyone sees it. This triggers massive FOMO, the fear of missing out. People see the price skyrocketing and jump in, terrified of missing easy money. This rush of buying pushes the price even higher, which gets more people talking, creating even more FOMO. See the loop? It's a cycle often driven entirely by speculation and social momentum, frequently disconnected from any real-world value or technological breakthrough. But this powerful hype machine isn't always fun and games. It creates the perfect breeding ground for specific dangers and scams designed to prey on that excitement, especially targeting hopeful beginners. What are the critical red flags you absolutely must watch out for before you even think about clicking buy? Okay, we've seen how hype drives meme coins, but now we need to talk about the dangers. This isn't to scare you, it's to empower you. Because understanding the risks is your best defense in this volatile corner of crypto. The biggest risk? insane volatility. Forget typical market swings. Meme coins can surge thousands of percent based on a tweet, then crash 90% or more in hours or even minutes when the hype fades or whales sell. Trying to time the top is incredibly difficult, even for pros. Next up, rug pulls. This is depressingly common. Here's how it works. Shady developers launch a coin, hype it up, attract investors' money into a liquidity pool, then suddenly withdraw all the valuable crypto, like Ethereum, from that pool and disappear. Your meme coins become instantly worthless. Also beware of classic pump and dumps. Coordinated groups hyping a coin to lure in buyers, only to sell off their holdings at the peak, crashing the price. Remember how most lack utility? That's risk number 3, lack of intrinsic value. If the hype dies, there's often nothing supporting the price. It can go to zero and stay there. Plus, watch out for whales, individuals or groups holding a massive chunk of the coin supply. If even one whale decides to sell, they can single-handedly trigger a market crash. Protect yourself. Watch for these red flags. Anonymous team you can't verify? No white paper or a vague copy-pasted one? Guaranteed high returns promised? Impossible. Liquidity not locked, meaning devs can rug pull? Huge percent held by devs/insiders? Be skeptical. Okay, between the volatility and the scams, it sounds pretty bleak, right? So why do these coins persist? Do they actually contribute anything positive or play any meaningful role in the massive evolving crypto ecosystem besides pure speculation? Surprisingly, the answer is yes, in a few specific ways. So we've seen the origins, the hype engine, and the serious risks. But do meme coins actually contribute anything positive, or are they just noise? While certainly not foundational technology, they play a few surprising and sometimes controversial roles in the crypto world. First, they undeniably act as a gateway drug for crypto beginners. Let's face it, diving into Bitcoin's white paper or understanding decentralized finance is daunting. Meme coins are simple, relatable, shareable, and tap into internet culture. For many, buying $20 worth of Doge is their very first step into the crypto universe. Second, they are incredible drivers of mainstream awareness. When Dogecoin hits Saturday Night Live or Shiba Inu makes national news, it forces conversations about cryptocurrency itself. Love them or hate them, meme coins get crypto mentioned in places Bitcoin or Ethereum might not reach, sparking wider curiosity. Third, sometimes they inadvertently stress test networks and even pioneer trends. Massive meme coin trading volume can push blockchains like Ethereum or Solana to their absolute limits, revealing bottlenecks that need fixing. Some also experiment with novel tokenomics, burning supply, reflection rewards, ideas that sometimes filter into more serious projects. And finally, they often serve as a market sentiment indicator. When meme coins are going absolutely wild, it can signal peak hype and greed in the overall market, maybe a sign things are overheated. So now you've seen it all, the joke origin, the hype machine, the dangerous pitfalls, and their strange little roles. The big question is, what should you as a beginner actually do about them? So, let's pull it all together. We've journeyed through the weird world of meme coins. We saw how they often spring from internet jokes and culture, like Dogecoin, usually without a grand technical purpose initially. We uncovered that their real fuel is powerful online communities and social media hype. Crucially, we highlighted the extreme volatility driven by that hype and the serious risks like rug pulls and scams. Remembering those red flags is vital. And finally, we saw their unexpected roles, acting as a gateway for crypto beginners, boosting awareness, and sometimes even reflecting wider market sentiment. What does this mean for you, especially if you're exploring crypto for beginners? Treat meme coins with extreme caution. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Think of it like entertainment or a lottery ticket, not a reliable investment strategy. Your best defense against hype and scams? Knowledge. If this breakdown helped you understand meme coins better, let me know by smashing that like button. It really helps the channel reach more beginners. And make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next simple crypto guide. Got a question? Want to share your meme coin thoughts? Leave a comment below. Want to explore crypto beyond the memes? Learn about potentially safer strategies? Then check out our next video right here. Crypto for Beginners. Understand it in 10 minutes. Click it now to keep learning. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, invest wisely, and see you next time.